what's up everybody, and welcome to Berthoud, Colorado, North Denver. New to the channel, we travel around all types of cities, states, and towns. Today's adventure, tonight's adventure. It's a little old community up here on the countryside of the foothills of the Rockies. Just behind us. Drop a like, feel free to subscribe. Passing over Berthoud Parkway. There's a Christian Brothers. And you know you're getting into like suburb populated areas when you got O'Reilly's and Christian Brothers. Ziggy's Coffee. Anytime Fitness, a Hayes Market. Nice. Very nice. Fines Double. Wow, look at all these decorations. The old A&W joint there. This looks really cool straight ahead with all of the Christmas decorations. I think that's what they are. The Look Hair Design, State Farm. Hospital. Log cabin, is what that was. Looks like a drive-through liquor barn. Oh, this is neat. Must be the center of town. Spirits. Oh, they had an arcade game. Okay, excuse me. A little late. Coming around the roundabout. There's First Street here. Cool. Got a lot of new builds coming up here to the right. There's some builders announcing their claiming their name, claiming their space. Big little town. I'd say population probably 4,000. Be in the description. All right. See you next time, folks.